Hello dear student, how are you? I hope all of you are well and your study also going on very well. In last video we have discussed about the general method of preparation of alcohol and we have studied two methods by which we can prepare haloalkanes. Two methods from alcohol or from alkanes and from alkenes we have already studied. Today we will discuss about the general method of preparation of haloalkanes. One against the third method here is from alcohol. From alcohol. Okay? You know, from alcohol we can prepare haloalkanes by attacking different kind of attacking reagent like HX, PX3, PCl5 and thionyl chloride. But in your reduced syllabus only three methods is given. That means we have to take PX3, PCl5 or thionyl chloride and treat it to the alcohol and form haloalkanes. Okay? This reagent will not take here. Okay? Now, first of all, reaction of alcohol with PX3. In this case, alcohol is treated with phosphorus halide. Phosphorus halide may be PCl3, PBr3, PI3. Okay? First of all, we treat PCl3 with alcohol and will obtain haloalkanes. Now see the reaction ROH. You know this is alcohol and when alcohol is treated with PCl3 it forms RCl chloroalkane and POH3. Sorry, this reaction is wrong. H3PO3 phosphorus acid. Now you can see here 3 hydrogen is substituted from here. Then this reaction multiplied with 3 and also this reaction with 3. All the elements are balanced here. Okay, this is the balance equation. This byproduct is known as phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid, not phosphoric acid. It is known as phosphorus acid. In case of PBr3 and PI3, that means in this case PBr3 and PI3 directly not react with alcohols because both the compound are unstable. In this case, when alcohol is treated with iodine in the presence of red phosphorus, to form alkyl iodide. First of all, iodine is reacted with red phosphorus to form PI3. Balance this equation. Here 4 atom of phosphorus, so it multiplied with 4. 4 3s are 12. It multiplied with 6. Now this reaction is balanced. Then this PI3 is reacted with alcohol to form this type of compound and this type of compound. Okay? Now once again ROH plus PI3 3 phosphorus iodide to form Ri plus H3PO3. Once again, balance this reaction. 3, 3. Okay, this is the balance reaction. Like this equation, you can prepare bromoalkanes by treating bromine with phosphorus to form PbR3 and PbR3 treated with alcohol ROH to form RBr plus PO3. Clear? Once again, balance it. Clear? Now, in second method, we will study about the PCl5. When alcohol treated with PCl5 to form haloalkanes and the byproduct as phosphorus oxychloride and also HCl. Okay? Now, let us see the example. Reaction with PCl5. Okay? When alcohol is treated with PCl5 to form alkyl chloride, because in this compound chlorine as a halogen atom and POCl3 and byproduct as HCl. Clear? Now you can take more example. CH3 CH2OH plus PCl5 gives out CH3 CH2Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Okay? You can take lots of example and can form more compound of haloalkanes. Okay? And third one is reaction with thionyl chloride SOCl2. In this case, only chloroalkane is formed. Why chloroalkane is formed? Because they have chlorine as a halogen atom, and this thionyl chloride, when react with alcohol, it gives electrophilic substitution reaction and form chloroalkanes. But this reaction is carried out in the presence of pyridine. Okay? That means when alcohol is treated with thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine to form chloroalkanes. Now let us see the example. ROH alcohol, you know, when treated with thionyl chloride SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine to form RCl and SO2 plus HCl as a byproduct. Clear? You can see the reaction. Now give more example. C2H5OH plus SOCl2 gives out same condition in the presence of pyridine to form C2H5Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. Okay? Acid plus HCl. And by this method you can find lots of product. Here PX3 is equal to, you can take PCl3, PI3 and PBr3. PI3 and PBr3 directly not react with alcohol in the presence of red phosphorus iodine or bromine in this case taken, and it can take directly to react with alcohol and form haloalkanes. Okay. Now let us see the next method. Next method, from silver salt of fatty acid. From silver salt of fatty acid. When silver salt of fatty acid treated with, when silver salt of fourth number, from silver salts of fatty acid. You know silver salt? Like this, RCOOAG. This is known silver salt of fatty acid because all the carboxylic acid like this RCOOH is known as fatty acid, and when hydrogen is replaced by Ag is known silver salt of fatty acid. When hydrogen is replaced by sodium is known as sodium salt of fatty acid. When hydrogen is replaced by potassium is known as potassium salt of fatty acid. So this is silver salt of fatty acid. When silver salt of fatty acid is treated with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride as an inert solvent. When silver salt of fatty acid treated with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride as an inert solvent to form Br, bromoalkane. Always form here bromoalkane, and carbon dioxide also eliminate, and the byproduct is silver bromide formed like this. Clear? So you can see here in this case one carbon atom is less in the product than that of carboxylic acid taken in the reaction. In carboxylic acid you can see one extra carbon atom, while here one less carbon atom, always kept in mind, and this portion evolved as a form of carbon dioxide. Okay. Now with more example, CH3COOAG. This compound is known as silver acetate, and when it reacts with bromine in the presence of same condition in a solvent like carbon tetrachloride to form CH3Br, bromomethane, and carbon dioxide and silver bromide as a byproduct. Clear? All compound you can show the compound by showing by drawing arrow in upward direction. Okay? This reaction, very important reaction, this reaction is known as Huns-Becker reaction. Okay, this reaction is known as Huns-Becker reaction. Clear? Okay. Only two methods here we have studied, from alcohols and from silver salt of fatty acid. In alcohol, with alcohol you can treat phosphorus halide, PCl5 and thionyl chloride to form haloalkanes. And in this case, from silver salt of fatty acid you can form only bromoalkanes, because here bromine is treated with silver salt of fatty acid, and the bromine here acts as an electrophile and attack to the methyl group and form alkyl bromide. Here the member of alkyl bromide is methyl bromide, and carbon dioxide and silver bromide migrated as a byproduct. Okay. Now the remaining topic, the remaining method to form haloalkanes we will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you, all the best.